Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the highlights from our recent trip to Ghent in Belgium, things to do, what to eat, the sights, our favorite bits from a beautiful city, a hidden gem in Europe in our opinion. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which goes through all the things to do, where to find everything, and a map just to help you, so when you go to Ghent in Belgium you've got all the information that you need. Definitely the main highlight was touring the Gravensteen Castle. We were there while there was a medieval festival on and it was just amazing. My kids adored it. I just found it fascinating and the views from the top of the castle were spectacular. We've climbed up the tower and back down again. There's some sort of medieval festival happening. We randomly picked an amazing day to come. Wow. We're walking along the edge of the wall now. Let's have a look at the view. Oh, pretty! Now, for me, highlights were mostly food related. The Holy Food Market was just incredible. There's a whole choice of food from all over the world and we just sampled and walked our way around and it was just amazing. And you can't go to Belgium without trying Belgian chocolate, and we kind of just wandered through the town, through the cobblestone streets and found a few different chocolate shops. They usually let you sample. We tried different chocolate everywhere and bought a few to take back home too, and it was just incredible. And of course there's fries, Belgian fries, frites, they were lovely too. And waffles, have to have Belgian waffles, and we just had ours topped with whipped cream. And a more interesting food in Belgium, specifically in Ghent, are cubidons, which are little lollies and they have a really unique, interesting flavour which you just have to taste for yourself. Our weekend in Ghent was unforgettable, was lovely, was just a beautiful, relaxing time. You definitely could do it in a day from Brussels, but I recommend spending a few days and exploring the cobblestone laneways and the canals and just having a lovely time in just such a picturesque location. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos and comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!